All right, and up next, let's take a look at how we can navigate around our project. Because at the moment, the only way how we can do that is using URL bar, and that is probably not the best user experience. Unlike the traditional multi-page application where we use the href, the link element, in this case, if we want to navigate around our project, so internally, we want to grab the link component from React Router DOM. Now, if we want to go somewhere externally, for example, if I want to go to google.com or johnsmilk.com, then yes, you still need to use the link component like so. So you'll set up a link component, href, and then whatever the URL. But in order to navigate around our project, we'll use the link component instead. And then the link component is looking for one thing. It's looking for to prop. And then notice we just pass in the URL. Now, again, we don't need to go with full URL in here. We just need to go with / and then whatever we have in the app.js. So since I have these pages, / so the homepage, about, and product, kind of makes sense if in the homepage, if I want to go to about page, I need to go with / and then the name is about. Now, these ones do need to match. So make sure that the syntax is correct. So in home.js, I want to set up a link to about.js right after the heading 2. And then in the about.js, I want to set back the link to the homepage. So let me try this one out, where first, I guess I'm going to go to the homepage. So let me navigate to the pages. Then we're looking for home.js. Then we want to get the link one. So import, it's a named, imports a link from React Router DOM. And then right after the homepage, let's go with link to, and again, if I want to navigate to product, I'm going to go with / product. Now, if I want to go to about, I'm going to go to / and about. And let's add a name. So whatever we want to display here, and a little bit of styling. Therefore, I'm going to go with class name, and I'm just going to say btn. So once we save, notice now I have this link to the about page. Now we navigate to about without that full page refresh. And in order to make this a little bit more interesting, why don't we also do the same thing in the about? So then we'll be able to go from one to another one. So let's go to about.js. Same deal. We want to grab the link, import, then link. Probably should have copied and pasted. But anyway, so React Router DOM right after the heading 2. Let's go with link to. In this case, I want to go back to the homepage. Let's say back home. And then let's also add that class name. So a little bit of styling, class btn. So now we can nicely go from page to page without that full page refresh. Again, if we want to navigate around our project, we want to grab the link component. It's looking for one thing and one thing only. It's looking for to prop. And in here, you want to pass in the same value that you already have here as far as the path. So if you want to go to about, you go / about. And if you want to go to product, you go to / product. And hopefully you see where I'm going with this.